Start by carefully opening the carton. Inside the main box, you will find a smaller accessory box. Open it to find the following items: visor plate, Allen keys, multi-purpose wrench, pulse pods indicators with charger, and pedals. Keep these items aside as we will use them during the assembly process. Now lift the bicycle out of the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all the zip ties securing the frame and components. You will notice the front wheel packed separately with the frame. Remove it and keep it aside for installation. Next, remove the zip ties attached to the handlebar. Using the Allen key, now remove the 4 faceplate bolts from the front of the stem. For clarity, refer to them as 1. Top left, 2. Top right, 3. Bottom left, 4. Bottom right. Place the handlebar into the stem and adjust the angle so it sits comfortably. Reattach the faceplate. First, tighten the top bolts 1 and 2 slightly to hold the handlebar in position. Now take the visor plate. Place the visor bracket between the bottom bolts 3 and 4. Insert the bolts through the visor bracket and tighten them using the Allen key. Before fully tightening the handlebar bolts, then tighten all the bolts firmly. Adjust the handlebar angle slightly to ensure proper alignment. Inside the box, you will find the quick release set. Before inserting it, remove the nut and the spring from one side of the quick release rod. Insert the rod through the wheel hub. Place the spring back and tighten the nut loosely for now. Now position the wheel correctly into the front fork slots. Make sure the axle sits evenly on both sides. Check from the front, the wheel must sit straight and centered. Tighten the nut firmly and close the quick release lever securely. Ensure the wheel is properly centered. Spin the wheel to confirm smooth rotation. Press both brake levers to check braking response. Take the seat from the box. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Adjust the height according to your preference and tighten the seat clamp securely. Now install the pedals using the wrench. You will notice markings on the pedals: R, right pedal; L, left pedal. Now take the pulse pods indicators. Rotate and remove the bottom mounting part. Attach this base to the handlebar grip section as shown. Secure the mount firmly. Then attach the pulse pods unit back onto the mount. Give the bicycle a final check. Ensure handlebar alignment is correct. Front wheel is securely locked. Brakes are working properly. Pedals are tightened. Seat height is adjusted. Your Hornback Zorq is now ready to ride. Enjoy the ride.